Watch them as they pull the wiring out of the Rectennas. Watch how they disable this death tower. I wonder if they're going to send the FBI after these birds. What do these birds know that we don't know? We've seen the footage of birds dropping dead near these death towers. Is it possible that these birds understand that these death towers are killing them? Birds are very intelligent creatures, ladies and gentlemen. You've seen the bird food maze before, where they got to figure out this puzzle to get the food. It's incredible what these birds can do. Look at them attack in unison, and they're each attacking a different Rectenna, like an army swooping in. You have to see it for yourself. Here it is. You've seen the videos of the birds dropping dead around the cell towers. Now you're watching the birds attack the cell towers, ladies and gentlemen. Is there something going on? And that is the question that people should be asking themselves when they see this video. Is it normal for birds to attack cell towers like this? Now, people can argue this every which way they want to, but obviously this is a phenomenon. Like and share, ladies and gentlemen. Get people aware. You know, the birds and the bees are dropping dead. So are the trees. And here comes the birds, like some kind of Twilight Zone episode. And they're taking this cell tower apart. What is going on? What don't people understand about these cell towers?